Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today this video will be on how to make a blunt cut bob wig. As you can see, it looks so gorgeous. It looks like a frontal. That will be part 2 of the video. As you can see, I have a shower cap over the canvas head because this will be a glue gun method, and sometimes the glue probably drip through the cap and sometimes go into the canvas head, so that's why I like the shower cap to protect the canvas head. Oh yeah, short story time why my canvas head looked like that. It was a gorgeous blue sprinkle color, but I babysit one of my family members' child, and the child was crying, and I had to stop the child from crying, so I just gave him some glitter paint, and yeah, he just painted on my canvas head. But I will fix it soon, you guys, because yeah, that look crazy right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was so quick and easy. You can really get the gist of how to make a closure wig. Make sure you check out for part 2 for plucking, blending, and how to make your closure look like a frontal. So check that out for me, you guys.